Safety has always been our top priority in the design of our cleaning drones. To ensure absolute protection in any unexpected situation, our drones are equipped with a high reliability intelligent parachute system. In this test video, you can see how the parachute is automatically deployed during a simulated emergency in mid-air. Once the parachute opens, the motors immediately stop rotating, allowing the drone to desk and steadily and safely to the ground without any damage. After landing, the drone can be restarted and take off again smoothly, proving the reliability of its structure, control system, and secondary flight capability. With this added layer of safety, operators can perform cleaning tasks on high-rise buildings, solar panel farms, and complex industrial environments with total confidence. This is not just a safety test, it's a demonstration of our unwavering commitment to quality and security.